Hello everyone and welcome to my recipe channel. Today I bring a very important and relevant topic for many people, weight loss. If you're looking for healthy and delicious ways to lose weight, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you 5 recipes that will help you reach your weight loss goals, without giving up on flavor and nutrition. These dishes are easy to make at home and provide a balanced and tasty meal. So get ready to learn and try these healthy treats. Fruit salad. Here is a fruit salad recipe to help with weight loss. Ingredients: 2 apples, 1 banana, 1 cup of grapes, 1 cup of strawberries, 1 cup blueberry, 1 tablespoon of honey, juice of half a lemon. Method of preparation: cut the apples and banana into pieces and place in a large bowl. Add the grapes, strawberries and blueberries to the bowl. In a separate container, mix honey and lemon juice to make the sauce. Pour the sauce over the fruit and toss gently until all the fruit is covered. Serve immediately or cover and refrigerate until serving time. This fruit salad is a great healthy and sweet option to help feed your sweet tooth without consuming too many calories. Legume omelette. Here is a legume omelette recipe to help with weight loss. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of chopped broccoli, 1/2 cup of chopped bell pepper, 1/2 cup of chopped spinach, salt and pepper to taste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Method of preparation: in a bowl, beat the eggs with a little salt and pepper. In a non-stick skillet, heat the oil over medium heat. Add the chopped vegetables to the skillet and sauté until just tender, about 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the beaten eggs over the vegetables in the skillet. Cook over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the underside of the omelette is golden brown. With the help of a spatula, turn the omelette to cook on the other side until it is firm. Serve hot and enjoy. This vegetable omelette is a healthy, protein-rich option that is easy to prepare and delicious. You can add or replace the vegetables based on your personal drugs. Grilled chicken with roasted vegetables. Here is a recipe for grilled chicken with roasted vegetables to help you lose weight. Ingredients: 2 chicken breast fillets, 1 large zucchini, diced 1 large eggplant, diced 1 red bell pepper, diced 1 red onion, diced 3 garlic cloves, minced 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, juice of half a lemon, chopped juice for garnishing. Method: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, toss diced vegetables with minced garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper. Spread the vegetables into a large roasting pan, making sure it's in a single layer. Bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, until soft and golden. Meanwhile, season the chicken breast fillets with salt, pepper and lemon juice. Heat a skillet over medium-high heat and sear the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side, or until cooked through. Serve the grilled chicken with the roasted vegetables and sprinkle with chopped cilantro to finish. This recipe is a great healthy and tasty option for a complete meal with protein and roasted vegetables. You can substitute vegetables based on your personal needs. Salmon with asparagus. Here is a recipe for salmon with asparagus to help you lose weight. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, a bunch of asparagus, the ends cut off, a tablespoon of olive oil, juice of half a lemon, salt and pepper to taste, a teaspoon of fine herbs. Method of preparation: preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Run a baking sheet with aluminum foil and place the salmon fillets on it. Season the salmon fillets with salt, pepper, lemon juice and fine herbs. In a bowl, mix the asparagus with olive oil, salt and pepper. Arrange the asparagus around the salmon fillets in the baking dish. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and the asparagus is tender. This recipe is a healthy option, rich in omega-3 proteins and vitamins. Salmon is an excellent source of lean protein and omega-3s, and asparagus adds fiber, vitamins and minerals. Serve hot and enjoy. Chicken Urape. Here is a recipe for chicken Urape to help with weight loss. Ingredients: 2 cooked and shredded chicken breast fillets, half a cup of corn, half a cup of cooked black beans, half a cup of diced tomatoes, a quarter cup of chopped red onion, a quarter cup of chopped cilantro, a tablespoon of lemon juice, a tablespoon of olive oil, soup, 4 lettuce leaves, 4 whole wheat tortillas. Mode of preparation: in a large bowl, mix the shredded chicken, corn, black beans, diced tomatoes, red onion and cilantro. In a small bowl, combine lemon juice and olive oil to make a dressing. Pour the sauce over the chicken mixture and mix well. Place a lettuce leaf on top of each whole wheat tortilla, then spoon the chicken mixture into the center of each. Fold the edges of the tortilla over to create a bundle and serve immediately. This recipe is a healthy and tasty option for a quick and easy meal. The ingredients are rich in protein, fiber, and vitamins. Plus, the whole wheat tortilla adds complex carbs to keep you fuller for longer. And so we conclude another video with delicious and healthy recipes to help with the weight loss process. I hope you enjoyed the recipes and that you can put them into practice in your eating routines. It is important to remember that a healthy diet is essential for a balanced and happy life, and these recipes can be a great option for those looking to lose weight without giving up on flavor. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive our next videos. And if the recipes helped you in any way, leave your like and your comment to encourage us to continue bringing more content like this. Thanks for watching, and until next time.